Hi guys, today I'll show you how to create a free and consistent character on Character AI in just a few steps. Whether you want to chat with your fictional hero, a historical figure, or even talking a pet, this guide will help you to bring them to life. Let's get started. First, open the Character AI and tap plus Create in the navigation bar. Select Create a Character to begin customizing your AI. Now let's define your character's identity. Name. Choose a name that fits your character. If it's a well-known figure, just name works. If this an original character, the name sets with the first impression. Then avatar. You can upload an image or use character AI's generator to create a unique visual for your character. Tagline. A short description that appears under your character's name. Keep it catchy and relevant to their personality. Description. Here's what you can get creative. Add details like age, gender, and appearance, personality traits, backstory, interests and hobbies, and any specific speech patterns or quirks. Then, greeting message. This is the first thing you character AI when someone starts a conversation. It sets the tone, so make it unique. Then the voice, it's optional. If available, select a default voice to make interaction even more engaging. Then decide who can chat with your character. Public, it's visible to everyone. Unlisted, only accessible through the shared link. And private, only you can chat with them. Then, once everything is set, hit save changes, and start talking to your AI character. You can always go back and tweak details to refine their personality and responses. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI tutorials. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.